Hello there, this is Ms. Montes. I wanted to show and share one of our resources that we offer here in our library. This is a real neat tool for teachers and for me as a librarian to collaborate with them. Sometimes we do collaborate in lessons together and units. I help you plan, and it's great fun to do that. I love teaching and helping you come up with great lessons. Teachingbooks.net is a great tool that you can access online. Just last week, one of the science teachers um, wanted some help, some assistance in coming up with some information for the lesson. They were covering climate change. So if you go here and type in climate change, and then it gives you all the books that they have here on the subject. It even shows you the grade levels. So in our case, we're going to click 7 through 12 because it is a ninth grade science teacher. And then you go ahead and click on the book. And you can see here the book resources offered, as well as here as well as the author resources. You have the audio name pronunciations and other information on the author. What I really wanted to show here for our fellow staff, such as teachers, is that some of these books already come with book guides and lesson plans. So you can click on it, and then here it will show you it's a PDF. You can rate it, you can share, uh, and it's a PDF file that you can download up into your system. And it does tell you here what they have available. This is some of the other features. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on, I'm going to go back. Let's say we want to see another book. For example, we're going to click on, let's do an English search. Let's do the Canterbury Tales. And then here in the drop down menu, you can click on it by Geoffrey Chaucer, and it already automatically gives you the same thing here. It shows you the book cover, the author's name, book resources. In this case, this book, since it is one of the great um, classics, you do have more lesson plan features. You do have the author resources like the other one as well. So right here, let's click on book guides, lesson plans. I really like this because it can help us in our collaboration. It already has ready-made materials. Of course, we can always customize and make it better, but this is a quick, easy information. It is linked with the standards, the TEKS, so it is aligned to the curriculum that our district um, follows, of course, with the state standards and the library standards as well. So I just wanted to share this with the campus, our staff, teachers. These are the steps to access this. Of course, we're always here in the library ready to help you out. I really enjoy collaborating with you guys. That really is what it's all about. Our library is an extension of our school community, and together, I do know using our data and assessments that we can improve our student literacy goals. So thank you so much. If you have any further questions, you can call me to the library extension, you can email me, or you can just come in person. Have a great day.